my take on blockchain technology. You know, it's interesting you asked that question about blockchain. I am involved quite heavily in a startup and learning a lot, so I wouldn't call myself a blockchain expert at all, because the more I know about it, the less I understand. It's a very complex topic. On the other hand, I have to say, when I looked into blockchain initially about 2-3 years ago, I was actually disillusioned because I thought blockchain was only about cryptocurrency and, you know, about things like Bitcoin, which I'm not trying to belittle, but, you know, back then I looked at the projects, and most of the projects I saw had something to do with cryptocurrency, you know, ICOs and creating different kinds of currencies using kind of the technology that Bitcoin used. Where I really got interested in blockchain was when I realized how interesting blockchain could be for industry solutions, for business solutions, where you're actually using the distributed ledger technology in a way that kind of creates a better sphere of trust and efficiency. Today there's technologies, there's software that is growing, there's projects that are growing, which basically are very much focused on creating digital contracts, contractual frameworks for assets, you know, so real assets like gold, like real estate, like financial instruments, that then are combined with workflows. So basically combining, you know, using IT in a way, kind of like what we did. It's nothing new really, in a sense that when I actually started my career, I joined Anderson Consulting back then, and my big motivation was a book by a guy called Michael Hammer, which was the corporate re-engineering, it was called. And you can use blockchain technology for that kind of corporate re-engineering. And what you're doing is you're just using, instead of using central databases, you're using these distributed databases. And I love it. I think there's a lot of potential. I think the hype is over a bit, which is good in a way. I think you're seeing a weeding out of some of the weaker projects. And yeah, I think it's a really interesting topic. And I know you do too.